Alright, so now the moment you've all been waiting for is to see me eat a live animal. So you can see this crawdad. It is alive.
And he's an exoskeleton.
Okay. Should I crunch him or swallow him?
Crunch.
I'm thinking crunch too. I don't know if he would want to get swallowed. I got my water ready. Ready?
Mm-hmm.
1, 2. That was nasty. It didn't taste like cooked fish or anything. It tasted like nastiness. Like if I were to eat the insides of an animal, I think that's what it tastes like. Alright, there it was. I hope you enjoyed it. So do you want to see how we got the crawdad? Stay tuned. There is a little crawdad in there. Let's see if we can. That has enough water to come out. Nope. See it?
There he is.
So instead of eating a minnow alive, looks like I'll be eating crawdad. Eating a live crawdad, huh? Never done that before. There he is. You see him?
Hello, Mr. Crawdad.
Alright, so we'll take him back real quick, and then we'll do the video of me eating the crawdad. But that was our minnow trap. We put a few rocks in it to make it sink. But overall, it was a success, even though it didn't catch a minnow, but it caught something to eat.